here with my friend Karina. And we are doing another Try Something New Tuesday. Karina got us a sample pack from this company. Can you tell us more about Pica Pica?
Found out by influencer I found. I follow.
Who do you follow?
Her name's Leslie, but she goes by Let's Do Makeup.
Let's Do Makeup. Gotcha. Did you talk about this particular company?
All the time.
So this is your first time trying a sample pack?
A sample.
So this is what the sample pack looks like. It has a bunch of little packets. There's labels on them. And I went ahead and separated so you didn't have to open and make it more streamlined and I can not take advantage of Karina's time. Is there a certain candy that you're excited about?
I'm excited about the Gushers because everybody brags about it and I've never tasted it.
Well, all the candy, as you can tell, has chili powder dusted on every single one of them, so they look red. Do you want to go ahead and reach for one?
Which one you
The
want to try first?
Gushers, since you're excited about it, yeah. What do they look like? Balls.
Round.
Round. I brought myself chopsticks so I didn't get my fingers all dirty. Karina says that she doesn't know how to use chopsticks.
I don't know how to use chopsticks.
What kind of Asian are you?
I'm not Asian. I'm Mexican.
Asian. This one. All right, cheers. Cheers. Ooh. What do you think? Ooh.
A little sour.
Ooh. Like drooling.
But they're good.
They're very good.
They're very good.
Are they gushing?
Yes.
There is a liquid filling. It's sticking to my teeth. You like it? If you were to rate
I
it,
would say those would be my favorite now.
if you were to rate it 1 out of 5,
5.
Hi.
I'm so sorry. They were saying that's where they were. Walk away.
Welcome to Try Something New Tuesday. I'm your host, Linda. Am I rolling?
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Round 2. I'm here again with my friend Karina. We have social distancing. We have hand sanitizer for round 2. So, last we left off, we liked Gushers.
I loved them actually.
She loves them. I give them, if you were to rate out of 5, 5. By 5. I would give it 3.5 and 5 because they stick to my teeth.
Oh, okay.
Got my chopsticks. So the next thing we're gonna try in the same little tester container, watermelon. You want me to give you one?
Yes. Thank you.
So they look like little watermelon slices. Again, covered in chili powder. Cheers.
These are more sour.
That's sour.
More sour.
I love these. 4.5.
3.
Really? What? Cause sour?
Because they're too sour.
I love the watermelon. We're gonna make a lot of as we try
What
it.
is this?
Okay. So next up are gummy bears. You ready? They look like bears. They look wet
Sticky.
and red. Cheers. 5. 5? Because they don't stick to your teeth.
They're
They're
not
soft.
that sour.
They're not that sour. They don't make you pucker. And you can eat them without tonguing your teeth. 5. All right, we have gusanos. Tell me what gusano is.
Warm.
Warm? I learned a new word in Spanish.
wasanas.
Yes.
Gummy
No,
worms.
using wasabi.
So you can kind of tell that they have two colors to them. Mine.
Partner? I was like, wait. So they're just like the pandas, I think.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're called pandas, not gummy bears. Ooh, the chili. Again, 5/5.
Mm-hmm.
Texture is amazing. Sometimes gummy bears or gummy worms, they're too chewy. They make the jaw hurt, or too hard.
Too hard.
These are soft. Okay,
I haven't tried the punch. I don't know if you want to try the punch.
let's do it. Here, let me get you one.
Please.
Punch.
Thank you.
Are these like the straws?
Yes.
My mom used to sell sour straws, and it's weird because she had little plastic tongs, and kids would buy them single, like 10 cents.
10 cents? I remember.
She'll get out a paper bag. Cheers.
Cheers.
Did you ever drink soda out of them?
No.
Ooh.
A little bit.
I used to stick them in drinks and drink.
I've never tried. Now I'm gonna try it.
The only thing liquid I have is hand sanitizer.
Please don't do that.
This is not that kind of YouTube. Mmm. Very, okay, what would you rate these?
3.
3.
A little hard.
They're stuck in our teeth again. I'm not gonna go like stick my finger in my mouth.
I'm gonna check it out. Use your tongue.
Okay, fruit roll-up?
Okay.
You go first. I don't think I can chopstick this.
I think these are my least favorite.
Oh, you already tried them?
This one I have. Just because they're too sweet for me.
I'm still trying to get this punch out of my teeth.
Oh,
If we were like 5 years old, I would stick my finger in my mouth right now and just take it out.
yeah, they're too sweet.
So one side obviously is not covered in chili. Mmm. I give them a 1 for me.
One. Yeah. It was my least favorite. Before I tried the Gushers, I liked the Sour Patch. Those were my favorite.
Let's do it. I was like, where is it? I'm about to fall out of my chair. I can't see. Sour Patch! These are actual Sour Patches covered in chili powder. Mmm.
Yeah, sour.
My eyes are watering.
Super sour.
If you're ever sleepy, you
That'll
wanna-
wake you up.
It'd be great for when you're driving a long drive and you're falling asleep. Because singing out loud doesn't work for me. Oh yeah, they're good though.
Okay.
Okay. I give them a 4. They get -1 point for sticking to my teeth.
I give them a 5.
But you give them a 5? Okay, I think we should try the nerd rope.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
gonna do this.
So you're gonna pull on one side and I will pull on the other side, like a wishbone.
Oh, they're so long.
They're so long. Oh,
Now I'm intrigued, like, what is this? It's like underneath.
cheers. Mmm. Mmm. They're really messy. Balls everywhere. Little balls everywhere.
I don't know.
But they're fun. Like if you need a little joy in your life. It's almost like an activity more than an eating thing.
I didn't care for them too much, but
Yeah. Your face that you're making. What do you think?
2.
I want to give them a 4.
Really? Because you can't stop eating them?
Because the burst of the nerd candy, it feels like a carnival in my mouth. Right? It's like a fiesta.
Okay, I'm done with this one.
Yeah.
I didn't like it.
So 2?
A 2.
Oh, 2. Okay. Sticky fingers.
Dirty fingers.
Okay. Oh, we have extremes. They're like a cross between the Fruit Roll-Ups and the Sour Punch. Extremes. They're pretty. Oh, it's like pride.
Rainbow.
Cheers. Cheers.
Okay.
It kind of almost looks like a tongue. Nothing special.
Too sweet. Like the roll up.
I like this better than the roll-up because it's less sticky. I can't remember what I gave the roll-up. I think I gave it a 1, so I'll give it a 2. Whew. I have red chili powder
Everywhere.
all over my pants. We have Skittles left. Taste the rainbow.
Thank you.
I gave you green tea. Orange?
Why are your hands so clean? Look at my
Because I keep dropping candy in them. Do you like Skittles?
I do.
I used to eat a lot of Skittles. Do you like the classic red bag?
The classic red bag, yes.
Same. Cheers.
Cheers.
It tastes like Skittles. Oh. I think I outgrew Skittles. I used to love them as a kid, but I don't really crave them anymore. I give them
I give them a 3.
3 is good. Are we done?
I think we are.
We're done! So overall, would you buy this package again?
I think I would just buy the Gushers,
Gushers?
the Sour Patch,
Sour Patches? Punch. No. Do you have them?
and the Pandas. That's it.
I would buy the pandas and the gusanos.
Learn a new word.
How do you say bears? Also?
Also.
Public schooling. Actually, I went to private school. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Do you have any social media platforms you want to promote? Any projects, any books, songs, singles? Are you single?
No,
She's not single?
I'm single, but
If you're cute. If you're cute, safe, not a serial killer. Message me. Maybe I'll set you up. My name is Linda. Thank you again for watching.